Time is fast. Be in smart locks around 5 years, and during the time, many customers for us to recommend economic smart locks. Actually, in our factory, we have different models, and if you for the interior door lock, wooden door locks, I super to introduce HI number 4. This smart lock. Here is the one.
Leave that a Bluetooth administrator.
Sport work for TT application. I think all of you guys should be learn from the market about the application most popular is tuyasmart and TTLock, and others something like tuyasmart Go, xhome, and wishome. Both are from China of the application, but for the interior smart door lock, it's mostly tuyasmart and TTLock. Okay, a truck is coming from the factory. Okay, wait some seconds.
Leave that a Bluetooth administrator.
Yes, actually, from once I touch the keypad, it will the voice tips for please add administrator. This is the TTLock application for the Bluetooth, so you can configure with your mobile. Okay, download the TTLock application, then configure the device in together. So today, why I am to introduce this one? Because this one is a full function. Full function is fingerprint, card, password, key, and the application by the TTLock. And the cost is very economical, so it may be to a new model to promotion for your market to go to more flow for your market, for the brand. And it's not just economical but practical, and it's favored and experienced from the market. It's hot selling and favored by the end user. Okay, it has two colors. This one is rose gold, another one is black color. So we can see the package. Okay, all English. Package, lock system, and the menu, and other something all included. Okay, this is the box. You can see. This is the English menu, cutting template. This is the protect foam. Okay. Inside, this is the main lock body, the front panel and the rear panel. Okay, rear panel. So we can see this is the battery cover. This device is powered 4 pieces, AA alkaline battery for support work. And this is the front panel. Okay, this is the back. Okay, nice. Okay, like this. Okay, and here some tips for installation. And this is the foam. And each lock 2 pieces cards, and this is the install screws, and 2 pieces key, and this is the mortise. Okay, 4 mortise included. This is the whole package. So if you guys need to a model for promotion for your brand or for your market, I think this is the best choice for this model to introduce. Okay, thank you so much.